I recently had the chance to try out the Bluegrass Living B20TNIR-BB Ventless Natural Gas Infrared Space Heater, and I wanted to share my experience with you. This little powerhouse is designed to heat spaces up to a generous 950 square feet, making it perfect for a cozy room or even a drafty basement. First off, I have to say that I love the design. It has the sleek black finish that fits nicely with most decor. It's not just functional, it also adds a touch of elegance to the space. When I turned it on for the first time, I was really impressed with how quickly it started to warm up the room. The infrared technology feels different from traditional heaters, providing a gentle, enveloping warmth that's super comfortable. I also appreciate that it comes with both wall mounts and base feet, making it adaptable to whatever setup you have in mind. In my case, I decided to place it in a small nook, which has become my go-to spot on chilly evenings. The thermostat control is a nice touch too. I could easily adjust the temperature to keep things just the way I like them. Now, while this heater has many strengths, it's worth mentioning a couple of things that might catch your attention. For one, the automatic fan can be a bit quirky. There were times when it didn't kick in until the flames had died down, which can be a little unnerving if you're expecting it to blow warm air as soon as the heater is on. However, I found that I could still manage to get comfortable without too much hassle. Another thing to keep in mind is that, like any appliance, it's essential to keep an eye on it when it's running. I did encounter a moment where one of the panels didn't ignite as smoothly as I'd hoped, causing flames to flicker in an unexpected way. It's a reminder that while this heater is great for keeping warm, it's really best suited for times when you can be present and attentive. Overall, I found that the Bluegrass heater has been a wonderful addition to my home. It's especially handy when the temperatures dip below 35 degrees. I can easily see how it offsets heating bills, especially if you're relying on electric heat for your primary source. Plus, the fact that it's made in Kentucky adds a nice touch of local pride. If you're considering a reliable space heater that combines efficiency with style, this one might just be what you're looking for. It's been a reliable companion for me, making those chilly evenings far more enjoyable. So, if you're curious and want to learn more about the Bluegrass Living B20TNIR-BB, there's more information waiting for you in the description below.